friends, Running Kimono here. So here's your Walgreens preview for the week of March the 20th to the 26th. Right off the bat, I'm going to say this is going to be a really good week over at Walgreens. We received two different boosters. This first one, which is 15% off of $25, and this has to be either a curbside or one of those, like, they drive the order to your home and you pay a lot of money. 15% off of 25, so that's $375 of savings. You make the decision if that is a good deal or not. Also, as of Tuesday the 15th, for orders that are curbside, these register rewards are going to be no longer printing for customers. I made a dedicated video to that. I encourage you to watch it because there's a lot of very pertinent information if you do curbside deals a lot. Just so we're on the same page. I also received this booster, which is 5 back when you spend 20. And I also received a 15 back when I spend 60 on my account. My husband always gets the better ones, but very grateful to have them. And this is valid again from the week of the 20th to the 26th. More rules, because we love rules on this channel. It is of a one-time use, and yes, this stacks 1 paper and 1 digital. Do not use any store register rewards or Walgreens cash to pay down the balance, or you will mess it up. Use your debit card, credit card, or cash bills to pay down the balance. It's just the smart way to go. And whenever you get these boosters, it just makes things a little bit better, or extra savings on your baskets over at Walgreens. Okay, the first little dealio that we're going to look at is a Bogo 50% off on Cetaphil. If you look at the last line, it says baby care. So that's what we're going to be looking for in this little deal. We also have a 4 off of 2 IVC coupon. And then if you go to the site Cetaphil.com, put in your email, a little bit of information, you'll get a $4 printable, which is like super uber cool. Here's the deal. Grabbing 2 of the baby shampoos. They're priced at $5.80-ish. That's $8.83 on a Bogo 50% off. Scan the 4 off of 2 IVC or load it digitally. It is your choice. And then present 1 $4 coupon from the Cetaphil website. You're paying 83 cents for the 2. And I want to give a special shout out to Couponing Craze. She put this on her Instagram account. And this deal is right on the money for some very inexpensive baby care items by Cetaphil. Okay, we have the Reese's peanut butter eggs. This is my husband's kryptonite. He always loves these, so I might have to do this deal because it's really good. They are $2.49, and we have a $1 off 2 IVC coupon, so we're going to either load that or scan it from the big book of savings. Grabbing 2 of these bags, that's $4.98. Subtracting that $1 off 2 IVC, you're paying $3.98 for the 2, or $1.99 per bag. If you're doing this deal on its own, like without a booster, yes, you can use Walgreens cash to pay down the balance. So the next 4 deals that we're looking at are deals of the week. They're going to be kicking out a $4 store register reward. So if you want to do all 4 of these deals, you have to do them in separate transactions to get that register reward to print. The first one that we're looking at are the Dove body washes, and we're going to have a 2 off of 2 digital, and then see the earn 4 when you spend when you earn $4 store register reward when you buy 2. Oh, they make that confusing. Now, if you go over to your Fetch Rewards account, last week I was doing the Tresemme deal and I bought $20, and I'm $10 short from getting to that $30 mark. And with this Fetch Rewards rebate, you actually have to photograph a receipt from Walgreens to get this to be activated. Well, I am just like close to the end line with that. I'm going to get $10 with this purchase. And if you've been one of these people that have been like, I don't really care to have another app on my phone, I don't like it, the Fetch Rewards app is really, really great. You're photographing receipts to get points towards gift cards. If you want to sign up, check out the link in the notes and use my referral code when you submit your first qualifying receipt. $2, guys. It's that easy. And it could be on anything, like an Egg McMuffin you bought this morning. Okay, 2 of the Dove body washes, 14 on the nose. Subtracting that 2 off of 2 digital manufacturer, I'm paying $12, getting back a $4 store register reward. I'm photographing my receipt to the Fetch Rewards app and getting $10. $10! How cool is that? And if I want to use Walgreens cash to pay down the balance, if I'm doing this deal on its own without a booster, absolutely you can do that. It's a very, very smart deal. I absolutely love it. Okay, the next one that we have is with the Banana Boat Sun Care at $7 a pop. We're going to have a $2 digital coupon and then the $4 store register reward when you buy 2. With Banana Boat, there's probably hang tag coupons as we're inching into spring. Grabbing 2 of them for $14, subtracting a $2 digital and a $2 hang tag, you're paying $10 out of pocket, getting back a $4 store register reward. If you wish to use a little bit of Walgreens cash, absolutely go for it. I prefer the spray bottles or those little cans of spray by Banana Boat, but a really good stock up price. The next little dealio that we have for parents is with the Pampers, and my goodness gracious, this has jumped quite a bit in price. If you're a parent and you have this booster, I would put this deal together this way because it's the biggest savings on diapers, which is so expensive right now. So grabbing 2 of the Pampers for $20, load your 5 back when you spend $20 booster, along with the $3 off 2 digital manufacturer, pay $17 with your debit card, get back a $4 store register reward and $5 in Walgreens cash, that's $9. It makes it $8 for the 2 or $4 per bag. Remember, let's not use any Walgreens cash or any store register rewards to pay down the balance, or it will mess everything up. The last deal of the week that we have is with the Garnier Hair Dye, 2 for $16. We have a 4 off of 2 digital coupon that will be showing up on Sunday, and this is a deal of the week, so you'll get back a $4 register reward when you buy 2. Grabbing 2 of them for $16, subtracting that 4 off of 2 digital, you're paying $12 out of pocket, getting back a $4 store register reward, making it $8 for the 2 or $4 per box of dye. If you're doing this deal on its own and you wish to use a little bit of Walgreens cash, go for it. And hang on to your receipt for the week after this purchase. Maybe IBOTTA might have a rebate, fingers and toes crossed. Okay, just a couple rapid fire deals. We have the all detergent for $3.99. We're going to have a $1 digital coupon starting on Sunday, dropping this product down to $2.99. This product is usually upwards of like $7.49. It's made out of gold and diamonds, so $2.99 is not a bad stock up price. We have the Palmolive dish detergent for $2.49. We have a 50-cent digital coupon, so it drops it down to $1.99. Another really great stock up price. The L'Oreal men's, this hair dye, it's a fancier one. It's called Expert. So you'll look like an expert when you're wearing it. We have a $5 digital coupon. We have a couple of them. This is the sort of deal that just throw it in your back pocket. It might turn into something, so I just want to present it to you. It might not, but just keep it on the back radar. And IBOTTA also has $3 back. Walmart has $5 back, which is a little better, but $3 back isn't the worst. So grabbing one in store, I know it said $9.99 as the curbside price, but I don't know if that's going to be the same thing next week. So $12.99, let's just be pragmatic. Subtracting that $5 digital, you're paying $8.99, getting $3 back from IBOTTA, making it $5.99. It's okay to use Walgreens cash to pay this down, and if you're doing this as a curbside order, if it's $9.99, remember you're going to be a penny short from getting that $10 mark, so grab something else for your basket. As this coupon is valid for a couple of months, maybe there might be something where these will be on clearance or perhaps a register reward deal. So definitely throw this one on the back burner. Okay, and now we have a free toothpaste deal, $3.99, $5 of Walgreens cash when you buy 2. Grabbing 2 of these for $7.98. We have a 3 off of 2 digital. You're paying $4.98, getting back $5 Buckos in Walgreens cash, making it free. As this is a buy scenario, yes, you can spend it to earn it in this scenario. More free, let's grab a Crest toothpaste and one of those Oral-B toothbrushes. Okay, so 1 paste and 1 brush is $8 on the nose, and we have a $2 digital for the paste and $2 digital for the brush, subtracting $4 right there. You're going to pay $4 out of pocket, get back a $4 register reward. I believe that's a manufacturer making this free. And yes, you can use Walgreens cash, spend it to earn that register reward. The Airwick double packs are going to be Bogo 50% off, not a bad little deal. We also have a digital, which is a $6.50 off of 2. So we're going to have to wait and see how this one plays out, but definitely load this digital coupon. Grabbing 2 of these at $7.49 for the first. Remember, Bogo 50% off, that's $11.23. Subtracting that $6.50 off of 2 digital. $4.73 for the 2, or $2.36 per package of 2. Remember to photograph this to the Fetch Rewards app. And will it take the 50% or $6.50 off of 2? This will definitely have to be tested on Sunday. Now, a lot of you are always asking for cheap cat food or litter pricing. Like, this is $8.99 for the Fresh Step. If you have a bunch that in your house that are always causing problems and using that litter box because they have no idea how much this stuff costs, especially lately, here's a deal for you. We're going to use a $4 store register reward. So grabbing one of those boxes of the Fresh Step for $8.99. $4 store register reward and $5 of Walgreens cash, and you're paying the tax. I think it's really smart to use your Walgreens cash or store register rewards. A lot of you might disagree and say, you're wasting your money. But, I mean, this isn't your 401k. You have to use the Walgreens cash. And so to use it for stuff like pet supplies or diapers, I think it's just super smart, especially with inflation right now. So let's quickly breeze through some honorable mentions. We have $11.99 to $14.99 for various larger P&G products. Probably no coupons for that. And 4 for $16 for the Gain. Whenever they have some sort of sales price, they kind of relinquish those coupons. We've noticed. $10 Walgreens gift card. You have to buy a minimum of $25 of the Delta, Old Navy, Gap, Fanatica, or whatever it's called, those gift cards. But you have to buy 2 of those for $50 and you will get a $10 Walgreens gift card. And the soda deal, a buy 2, get 1 free for Coca-Cola and 7-Up. Another deal that I would use Walgreens cash to pay down, 2 for $8 for the Quaker Quick Oats cereal for $3.49. That's kind of rich. 2 for $7 for the Doritos, not the worst price point, so like $3.50 per bag. And then for all the keto dieters, 2 for $10 on the Oscar Mayer bacon, $10 of Walgreens cash, super smart deal. Bacon equals happiness. So thank you so much for watching this video, guys, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye.